Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Dutch Mike, as you might know. And today we have a special video, a very cool one. We're gonna test this beast. Yeah. We're gonna do a 0 to 60 miles an hour, or as we would like to call it, a 0 to 100 kph, which stands for, yes, kilometers per hour. Sounds kind of weird when I say it in English, but we're gonna do that. It's chipped, and as you know, that one wasn't, and well, the data was a little bit of disappointing, but this one should be faster than factory specs. So let's hop in the car, hope it's warm, and just blast off. Well guys, we're in the car. As you can see, we have an open road. We're just waiting for one car to leave, and then we're gonna send it. As you know, Polo, it's pretty fast for just a small car. It's like a small kart. 1.8 turbo, the GTI. As you can see, GTI. You can see it. So yeah, let's have some fun with it, you guys. I'm really excited about this one. So yeah, we're gonna send it. Okay, ready? First gear. It's a manual, so I hope we can get a little bit of traction, because well, it rained, so it's a lot of horsepower on just the front wheels. But yeah, let's do this. And 3, 2, 1, go. Yep. What was that? 8 seconds. We can do better than that, boys. We can do better than that. Because I had no traction. The whole car went bouncing. So yeah, we have to do another run. But the car is warm now. So yeah, let's do this. Just turning around. Ready?
Yes.
Are we ready? And 3, 2, 1, go. Yep. That was 100. Woo! 8 seconds, almost flat. Oh, that's better than it should be, I guess. I don't know factory specs. We will look them up in just a second. But yeah, it wasn't too bad. It can still be faster, because in first gear I don't utilize full power, because well, when I do, the car goes dunk 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 dunk, you know, bouncing, because it feels no grip. Damn, son. Oh, look at that. That was pretty fast. Alright. So, we have the 8.10 seconds, okay? Now, we need to take a look at factory specs. So guys, basically, we did it in 8.2, but we're gonna do another run. But I have factory data right here. It says it should do a top speed of 216. Well, I can vouch for that. It is going over it. But 0 to 60 or 0 to 100 kph, it should do that in 8.2, and we're already under that. So that is pretty fucking awesome. Yeah. But this is from the original, from 150 horsepower. We have more than 200. But we have 2 guys in the car, or well, 1 guy, 1 girl. But we're gonna do one more run, and then we're calling it a day, because well, I have shit to do. But yeah, it's pretty good, but we can do better. So remember, originally it can do 0 to 100 or 0 to 60 in 8.2. We already did it in 8.1, but well, and given a little time from finger to stopwatch and throttle up, I believe 7.9 should be a go. Okay guys, third run, final run, and 3, 2, 1, let's go. Yep. Woohoo! Hot damn! That was better than expected. That was better than expected, you guys. That was good, and I didn't have any traction. The clutch was slipping, but yeah, that's a goddamn record right there. Dang, son. Yep. That is a freaking record we got there, for this car at least. Yeah, 2 problems. First gear, it started a little bouncing, which means that it didn't have any traction. Traction control went in. Second problem, when I shifted to second gear, it just slipped a little bit. That's why you can hear it slowly moving up, which cost some time, but well, this was a record. I say we leave it at this because, well, we don't want to work it too hard on the clutch. And yeah, this was awesome. This was pretty awesome, better than expected. So no fail on this car, but a big fat fail on the Touareg. So yeah, if you like this video, leave a thumbs up, because I like that. Subscribe if you haven't already. So because I want to make sure we hit 700 by the end of this year. That would be awesome. And don't forget to let me know down in the comments, well, what else should we do? Because this was freaking awesome. With that being said, I will see you guys next time. Later, guys.